Time is the most precious resource we have, yet too often we let it slip away. Think about it. How many moments have you let go by waiting for the right time? How many opportunities have you allowed to pass because you were too busy hesitating or caught up in distractions? It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that tomorrow will offer more clarity or that the stars will align in a better way. But let me tell you something, the stars don't need to align, you do. Success doesn't come from waiting for perfect conditions, it comes from taking action right now. Every second that ticks away is a second you'll never get back. You're not going to get another shot at today. So, what are you doing with your time? Are you letting it pass by, or are you using it to get closer to your goals? The truth is, your future depends on what you do today. It depends on the choices you make in this very moment. Every hour you waste is an hour you could have used to build the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Will you look back with pride, knowing you gave it your all? Or will you look back with regret, wishing you had done more, worked harder and pushed through to ruin things took? The person you become tomorrow is shaped by the actions you take today. Don't rob your future self of greatness by wasting time today. You don't need more time. What you need is more discipline, more focus, more drive. You have everything within you to make a change, to create the life you want, but you need to stop waiting. The perfect moment is never going to come. So start now. Get up, get moving, and stop wasting time. You have the power to create something incredible, but it begins with the decision to take control of your time. Don't waste another minute. Your time is now.